Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Bilqalam Sounds, where you master every Arabic sound step by step. Today's sound is wa, wa, like in the Arabic word warda. It's similar to the English W in water, but in Arabic it's always smooth and rounded, never mixed with a W sound. To pronounce wow correctly, first round your lips slightly forward. Second, keep them close together, but don't press them tight. 3. Let the air flow smoothly while keeping your voice on. Wow is a voice sound, meaning your vocal cords vibrate. In Arabic, wow always stay pure like W in water, never changes to V or disappears in fast speech, as sometimes happen in English. Let's practice together. Listen and repeat after me. Short vowels. Wa, wa, we, woo, woo. Long vowels. Wa, we, woo, woo. Excellent. Make sure your lips stay rounded. Great job. Now let's practice wow in real Arabic words. At the beginning, walad, walad. In the middle, حيوان, حيوان. At the end, ضوء, ضوء. Avoid touching your teeth. It's a lip sound, not like English V. Here's a short sentence with wow. ولد واع يستمع ويتعلم. ولد واع يستمع ويتعلم. Repeat with me. One slowly, then naturally. Amazing! You've mastered today's sound. From syllables to words to a full sentence. Keep practicing daily to make your pronunciation smooth and natural. Remember, these videos are part of the Bilqalam Sound program, the official phonetic curriculum taught by Bilqalam Institute. The full course includes detailed lessons, practice materials, and a complete student book. These videos are designed to support and review what you learn in class. For more details, contact Bilqalam Institute. See you in the next lesson, inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum.